All right, so dosto, welcome to this amazing call today here, Azdata show. So I will be answering all of the questions, biggest question regarding the Facebook marketing, Facebook ads. So first of all, I want to welcome all of you. If you have any question like how to get quality leads or any kind of questions, as you are in my group, so I would like to answer all of your questions. Okay. So basically, I want to tell you here, like I want to talk to my audiences here. You can type in comment box, like in case you have joined already. I would love to see there. Okay. So first of all, if you can see me here, just type in comment box. All right. So I will be start answering those questions. So let me see here. Yes, please help. Lakshmi, you can ask that question there. Like I'm just I will be starting now so that I can keep answering the questions. Okay, great. So you can type your questions in the comment box so that I would love to answer. Okay, all the members, you can type your questions in the comment box. I would like to answer. Okay, Parul, Sud, and everyone. Great. Sachin, you can start answering the questions here. So first of all, like first question I got from here, like Facebook user, like Parul. I want to ask Parul question. Like, 1 second. Like I'm to just show. Hide the message from stream. Great. So there is a first question like how to generate leads without investment. So Parul, you can type your name and your question there. So I'm telling you here, first of all, this is the question: how to generate leads without investment. See, guys, there will be some kind of investment, like might be you need to give time, create a video like Facebook Live, and what I'm doing right now, Facebook Live use, or if you can do other like other mediums, so you can go Facebook Live use, create contents, build your influence to generate some leads that you can do organically. Okay, but the one thing, if you are looking for long term, for paid advertising is fast. Okay, if you are looking for free leads without investment, there is no lead without investment. Either you have to give the times or like that one. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, so that part is there. First, I'll answer. What you can do, you can go Facebook Lives. You can create your free post. Even though you can you can use YouTube channels also. Build your influence, create stories, create articles, and you can get lead initially. Okay, you can first add the value, and then you request the request the whatever you want. Like you want them to invite for your webinar, product, service. But first, you have to build a strong influence. Okay, that is the one thing I am answering here. Like I hope this is the clear now. Okay, guys, next one, Parul, I hope I answer your question. You can type the next question, like anybody here, next person, you can type your question. I would like to answer that one. Lakshmi, आपने कहाँ पे पूछा है? You can type your question in the comment box. Publics. Okay, all of you, you can type your question in the comment box here. In comments, you can type comments. Next, now there is a question. Meantime, I will answer like some questions. There is a question from Mayur Savalia. Mayur Savalia. How to get leads for lowest cost? Basically, how to get leads. How to get leads. Okay, so how to get leads for lowest cost. I mean to say how to get lead for low cost. The best thing, you guys, one thing you can get the leads is lowest cost. The first thing, if you want to get lowest cost, you need to do three things. First, you have to create good creatives. I mean to say good creative in the sense like proper video, contents. Your headline has to be good, as well as there are many things. Actually, there are many factors if you want to get cost per lead below down for Facebook or any other medium. Like first thing, like you need to have good landing page, high converting headlines, video, story. Inside Facebook, you can target right audiences, as well as create good ad copy, as well as follow the Facebook guidelines, create good image where you can get more basically click through rate, like more clicks, so that you can convert them to paying customer. There are major factors. There are many things that matter to bring you cost per lead down. You can keep testing new audiences, as well as different cities, different locations, and many things. That is the part there. Okay, so that was the one thing here. And now next, let me answer the questions. I hope answer that question right. Parul, I got your question right. So like 1 second. Like let's welcome. Thank you very much. Video is live here. So anyone here, like if you want to ask question, you can ask that question there. Okay, 1 second. Let me approve the members. Great. So next question here, I'm asking about like the next question is all about like how do you generate lead for like need helping to build business how to assess the quality. Okay, how to assess the quality lead by Praveen. The next question is all about there how to assess the quality lead. कि boss जो कुछ भी lead आ रहा है by Praveen. So how do you assess that one? Like you can see like let me ask first of all. Say there is a question by Praveen how to assess quality of leads. Okay, so whenever we run any ad, key boss, whether that is the quality lead or not, how do we assess that one? There are some major factors. First, either they are by like quality of lead. I mean to say, unless and until you talk to them, either they are converting. In case you are targeting particular interest in particular city in the location from the Facebook, either are you getting good like good conversion, it might be sales, webinars, direct, it can be anything. First thing. Second thing, are you getting good ROI of that campaign? Okay, quality lead, I am to say, are those lead converting into paying customer? That is the one thing here you can ask. Like I mean to say, somebody ask your name. Next question, that is the one thing you can do. Check out Praveen. But now next question is about from like what are the steps for creating landing pages, which a free tool we can generate landing page. So first of all, I'm telling you, see there are different tools in the market. I am using paid tool that is called ClickFunnels, but yes, definitely you can create pages on the WordPress. I don't know guys, free kitna quality kitna convert hoga, I don't know, but definitely you can create landing pages on WordPress, but ultimately that is not free. You have to like get some website and build the development, and you can definitely create with the lowest budget. Okay, so that was the question from like I'm telling you like questions from 1 second. Lakshmi, what was the question, Lakshmi? Or what are the questions? Okay, Lakshmi, anybody is there? I will pay money for that one. That I am not able to create business funnels. Wait, guys. Lakshmi, I am doing the live call. Live call is not here. 1 second. Okay, join live call. Okay, awesome, great. So the next question was there, guys. I am asking here from somebody here. Awesome, great, guys. So landing page, I answered that question. Definitely you can use WordPress and try. Another question like here, suggest how to reduce lead cost. Current per cost per lead is average 80 rupees. Okay, so I want to answer that question, but before that one, I would like to ask what kind of ads you are running. What kind of ads you are running? You can type in comment box. If you want to reduce the cost per lead, what kind of ads you are running? Okay, what kind of ads you are running? I want to know that one first of all. 1 second. I can bring you all guys on here. If somebody asking here, great. Okay, so Parul Sud, what are the steps to create? Okay, I answered that one. How to generate leads without investment? I answered that question. Then Sumit, okay, suggest how to get. Okay, Sumit Kamdar, suggest how to reduce lead cost current per lead. Okay, Sumit, let me answer this question. Sumit, okay, so Sumit, how can you reduce the cost per lead? As I told you, there are different types. You can test new headlines, new landing pages, new audiences, look-like audiences, advanced strategies, which I teach in my Facebook domination program. In case you have not attended a workshop, you can attend that one. If you are a Facebook domination program, good. You can meet me live in the call so that I can show you live. If your cost per lead is a little bit high, how can you bring? There are major factors. The number one thing, you can create more ad copies. I mean to say ad copies, images, videos, and even the new targeting, and see what is your conversion if you are using landing page. Sumit, are you using landing page? Type in comment box. Are you using landing page? Are you using landing page or not? Yes, that's fine. Awesome. If you are already part of that one, Sumit, I'm telling you, if you are using landing page, if you are not using landing page, you can use the landing page. Okay, because you have to see many factors there. There you have to have live call. Yes, that happens in the like Zoom call. In case you are my inside member, if you are in case my Facebook domination member, program member, you can meet me in the Zoom call. Tomorrow there will be 11 AM technical call. You can be there. So basically there are major factors. You can test creatives, ad copies, location, landing page. You have to do all checks. There are many things. Okay. You can do that part. And our product is cost per lead is next. Okay, awesome. Great. So next question is that our product is the car accessories want to target car owners. So definitely, like Adabit, now definitely you will not find exact car owners, but you can find, guys. I'm telling you here. Somebody asked me question, your name, guys. Whenever you're asking question, you can add your name also. I'm not able to see here your names. Like here, I'm not able to find your names, but definitely you can ask if you're targeting car owners. 1 second. Okay, if you are answering like if you are car owner, guys, if you are car owner, I'm telling you what you can do. You can target people with the higher income. Okay, you will not exactly find the people who are like, well, which car is owned by them. You can target people who is a little bit higher income. And I believe, how many believe that one? If people have higher income, they must have the car. Guys, you can type in comment box. Like people are earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and even they have the like high value products. They can, you can target them in Facebook. There is option like you can target people like even though on the job profiles, their habits, their interests, even though their likes also, you can target that one so that you will understand. Okay, basically car owners looking for service, looking for, even though you can target the people, like people are following brand like Mercedes Benz, BMW, whatever you have, you can target like that one. Okay, you can do that part. Image slide is fine, already joined, that's fine. If you are part of is Elementor provides free landing page creation. I'm not aware about that one. I'm not using Elementor free landing page creation, but you can check out that one, guys. You can check out that one. I'm not using that one, so I cannot comment on that part, but definitely I'm using the best platform. You can build the different pages which should be high converting, which should have integration, automation, lot of features. If you want to get higher ROI in your marketing campaign, don't look for tool cost. All the members, I'm telling you, everyone, sometime we take shortcuts. All of you guys, like you can take the shortcuts. Shortcut, like, let me tell you a shortcut. Like shortcut in the sense, okay, so basically what happens, sometime what we do, we try to avoid some budget, monthly budget. But guys, based on my experience after generating 100,000 lead, I realized one thing here. It costs your pocket. Facebook will charge you more money. It should, sometimes it doesn't convert really well. Okay, so always look for the best tool that should be funnel one single website. I mean to say, like one landing page. Many of you might have seen my advertisings. Okay, that is the one part. You can definitely try that one. When will be live calls. So basically for paid member, if you are my Facebook domination member, it happens Tuesday 8 p.m. for paid member, my Facebook domination member, and Friday 7:30 p.m. Okay, how to set? Okay, I am to say. Somebody asked me question here. This one. Okay, so next here, guys, you can type your question in the comment box. I would like to answer all your questions. You can type in comment box. Okay, so already joined. Great. You can type in comment box your questions. Comment. I want to see all of the comments here. Great. So if you ask me, let's question how to set ad for receiving calls. Okay, let me tell you here. Now, 1 second. You can type in comment box your question. I would like to answer that one. Great. So here the next question was how to set ads for receiving calls. Okay, if you want to get calls, what are you going to do? You can run the lead ads or conversion ads. In that, you can select the objective of appointments, people where people can book their. 1 second, guys. What is happening here? I'm not understanding. Guys, so far if you are loving this question answer, you can share your comment below, or you can give me thumbs up there if you are loving these sessions, because I am planning to start this kind of session for all my members who attended my workshop, people who are my Facebook domination members, just to help you get clarity and dominate in online. Guys, give me this thumbs up. You can give thumbs up, love on this call, because it's a pure value addition. I can't comment on the groups. 1 second, guys. 1 second. You can give me the thumbs up in the comment box, or you can hit the like button there. Okay. So next question here, I'm telling you guys, next question is here. How to set ad for receiving calls. Okay, I told you you can run lead ad or conversion ad. You can create basic landing page or your website where people can opt in. They can fill up their name, email address, mobile number, and they can call you. Okay, or even though you can do like WhatsApp, you can as a destination website, you can select the WhatsApp link. People can directly contact you so that you guys can call there. Okay. Second question, sir, sir, is chatbot is useful for any startup online business? Investment in chatbot monthly approximately how much for initial business? So guys, chatbot initially you don't need to pay. You don't need to pay. You can start with the zero tools like ManyChat. You can use free tool up to 1,000 subscriber, absolutely free. You can use as a startup business. But be aware about the Facebook policies and spamming. For website, you can use Collect Chat, free tool. I am using for my website, absolutely free version. There is a trial version, you can try that on. Okay. Next, when I select India location, cost per lead goes low, but change location Pune, cost per lead is 100 rupees. Okay. So definitely, guys, here rule if you are targeting all India. I'm telling you guys 1 second. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, somebody asked me here when I select India as a broad location and when I select Pune, cost per lead goes high. So the reason here, you have to check the audience size. Okay, because the more audience size you give, like 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakh audience size, the better for the Facebook. Okay, might be that reason. If you are targeting only Pune, check out how much is the location there. Might be from Pune you are not getting good deals, and you can target Mumbai, you can target other metro cities. Okay, I hope that is answer your question. You can type in comment box. Our product is 1 second, guys. Okay, how to set up branding? Great. So somebody asked me here like how to okay, our product is car accessories, want to target car owners. Same answer I told you, right? You can check on the Facebook, and definitely you can target based on the interest, their income growth, their profile, image, ad, and slides show. You can tar out that one. Okay, already joined. Is there any limit, guys? Anyone here? How to generate? Okay, how to generate lead without investment? I answered that one. What are the steps for creating landing pages? With free tools, we can generate landing pages. I told you, like, you can create on the WordPress. I'm not using any free tool. I'm using paid tool from the day one itself, because which is converting really well. Even though okay, can't comment but on the Facebook run profile due to Facebook restriction streams to just chat with your audience. Okay, so definitely dosto, I'm telling you here one thing here. I want to like ask your question here quickly. Okay, anyone here? Okay, great. In case you want to create no Facebook, if you want to create a free landing page, you can check out my page here, like the dattule.co/ you can create free landing page. You can create free page, and you can create free convert kit. Okay, you can go to dattule.co/ and convert kit. Okay, in case you want to create something there. Okay, you can go to the convert kit like here. I'm telling you here. Okay, sure. Okay, you can go to the dattule.co/convert kit. Okay, basically you can create your free account there, and you can check out that one. Okay, basically you can create basic landing page. Not a big deal here. You can create basic landing page, but not conversion, where you can drive the traffic. Okay. Second question here, I'm getting like chatbot is how to set the ad sets for receiving calls. I answered that one. When will be the live calls happen? Okay, so guys, what are the okay? Suggest how to create reduce cost per lead. As I answer all that question. So guys, I hope in case you have any further question, guys, let me answer other questions. There are some many other questions like not enable, like MLM business partner, get point to the next level, how to get customers. Okay, want to boost myself in success. Okay, let me answer some next question. How to, okay, great. How to can, okay, without landing. Okay, somebody asked me here, conversion ad without landing page or on. Okay, let me answer this question here. Somebody asked me here like This question asked by Sarvesh Gupta. Okay, Sarvesh Gupta has asked me this question. Okay. Other members, you can type your question in the comment box so that I can feature you and I can answer your comments. Okay. Meantime, in case you have joined my workshop but you have not attended, you can be there in the workshop, guys. In case आपने workshop attend नहीं किया है, तो आप उसको attend कर सकते हो. Okay. दोस्तों, next question there is by Sarvesh Gupta. Can we create conversion, basically conversion campaign without landing page? How this is possible, guys? You cannot create conversion campaign without landing page. Definitely, there are many shortcuts. But if you want to get higher ROI, please use good landing page. I use ClickFunnels, so you can use any other. I don't care about that one. But it should be having ability to add the Facebook pixel. Okay, क्या होना चाहिए दोस्तों? Facebook pixel add करने की ability होनी चाहिए. That is the really important part. Okay, this is the example of. Okay, awesome, fine. Next question is like how to generate lead without investment. I answered that question. It was like we are in the like creating landing page. I answered that one. You can do that part. Reduce the cost. I answered that question. Like you can use major factors. Even though you have not attended my workshop, you can be there in the upcoming Sunday. If you are my Facebook Domination Program member, thank you very much. You can be there in Sunday, upcoming Sunday. And our product is like somebody asked me. Our product is car owner. मैंने उसको answer किया. You can get the leads. Image ad and slide ad. Basically, you can test out both. I am using image ad for on business perspective. You can use sliding ad also. So it will work really well. No Facebook forms. When will you have a call happen? Like that is happened Sunday. For paid member, it happens every Tuesday. You can check on the Telegram groups. Chatbots. I answered that question. Like okay, here in chatbot is full for any startup. Yes, yes, definitely useful, guys. Chatbot is a really good thing. You can use ManyChat. You can go to the manychat.com and create your free account. But please follow the Facebook guidelines because sometimes there are possibilities Facebook might ban your account. Okay. Next question, it was like audience selection. When I select the select India location, cost per lead is low. But yes, all about I told you, the more the audience size, the more reach and you get better results. Then how to survive in, okay, now the next question. Somebody asked me here, how to survive hotel resort business in the COVID-19 situation, guys. Okay, so this is really tough questions. Many entrepreneurs, how many facing this guys issue? Due to COVID-19, your business is impacted. So hotel resort business, guys, I'm telling you here, there are some situations little tough, but if you are a hotel business, resort business, what are you going to do? You can, even though if you are a hotel business, you need to go online. Might be home delivery, like Swiggy, Zomato. You can run the ad or you can get some that one so that you can do the home delivery. Guys, I'm telling you one thing here. People will not stop eating. How many agree with me this point? We can order the food online. If you are a hotel business, resort business, little bit tough. Actually, people will come or not because due to the sanitization is little bit tough. But hotel business, I told you, you can do online. People can order the food or they can pick up the food or like that one. Okay, you can do that part there. And landing page, Facebook lead form is very better. Okay, Sumit Kamdar. Baki members, guys, are you loving these sessions? I'm going to start every week. I'm going to say every alternative day. I will be on this group to help you guys. Either you are my Facebook Domination member or not. In case you are not attended workshop, be there and become a part of Facebook Domination also. Next, landing page or Facebook lead form, which is better? Sumit, guys, landing page is better. I mean to say different. There are two objectives in Facebook ads. First, lead ad using Facebook form. I mean, for that one, you don't need landing page because people inside Facebook, they can use their email, mobile number, and you can collect them. But the thing is there, the conversion ad is different. For that, you need to have Facebook pixel. For that, you have to use the landing page. I mean to say, like, why landing page? Because on landing page, you can add the Facebook pixel. Okay. So Sumit Kamdar, the conversion ad are really powerful. That for that, you need to have landing page. I hope I answered your question, Sumit. You can type in comment box. Like somebody here, guys, you can select name at the end of question. If I select interest, habits, behavior, lead cost is more. If I don't select any attribute, lead cost is low. Depend, guys. One thing here, if you don't select interest, habit, behavior, cost per lead is more. But guys, check for the quality. Either do you want to bring the cost per lead low, or do you want quality customer? So you can be a little bit flexible. You can use layer 1, layer 2, but definitely you have to check for the quality. If you use filter, if you use filter laser targeting, you get quality lead. That is the answer to your question. My question is not showing in the comments. I don't know. You can ask how much audience select detailed targeting. Okay, how much audiences select in detailed targeting? So basically, I'm telling you one thing here. If you have any audiences, at least I'm telling you, whenever you are creating detailed targeting or lookalike audience or anything you are doing, guys, the number one thing I would like to say here, you need to have at least 1 lakh audience size. What is, guys? I'm telling you 1 lakh audience size. 1 lakh audiences. Meantime, guys, if I'm giving my valuable time, if you love these sessions, for you guys especially, either you paid me 99 or 10,000, 50,000, doesn't matter. If you are getting value, you can give me thumbs up there, or you can share in the comment box below if you are loving, if you are getting value there. Okay, I would like to see your love so that I can create more sessions like this one. I can be there for you guys. Okay, so I told you answer. The old questions are getting repeated. Okay, guys, I mean to say this is super. Thank you very much, Sumit Kamdar. Your answer is Sumit. Great. How to avoid getting more fake leads? Okay, great, guys. Somebody asked me here, how to avoid getting more fake lead from competitor. I don't know, like competitor, how can they get the how they can get the, I mean to say, how you can avoid. First thing, if you want to avoid Facebook, getting fake lead, in case you have not attended my workshop, or you are not part of, like if you have not attended a workshop, or you are not a part of my domination program, I would recommend you be there. I teach you. You might have already, since you are in this group, you might have pay already, or you can be there, because I'm telling you one thing here. You can do one thing. You can do laser targeting. Their interest, their filter. Even though, as I told you, I teach formula called laser targeting. 3 layering, interest 1, interest 2, interest 3. Narrow down audiences. Okay, so that you get quality leads. Suddenly, what happens? Okay, somebody asked me here. Okay. Malvan Ranga, suddenly WhatsApp disappeared in my business page, and also could not select WhatsApp to add. Your question is not clear actually, Manapa. Like suddenly WhatsApp disappeared in my business page, and also could not select WhatsApp to add. Definitely, guys, on Facebook, basically Facebook page, in the call to action, guys, in the Facebook page, in the call to action, you can add the WhatsApp link also. Your question is not clear, but you can restructure and send me again. Is there any benchmark average possibility? Sumit, actually, there is no benchmark, but I'm telling you one thing here. Depend on your product, depend on your service. That is the different actually, Sumit. I'm going to say, guys, new members, in case you have any question, you can type in comment box below. I would like to answer. Sumit, the one thing I want to tell you here, is there any benchmark average per cost per lead? Yes, definitely. If you are running free webinar, 50-60 rupees is a maximum good lead for now, current situations, and Facebook keep changing. Okay, if you are, depends on your product selling. In case you are doing paid webinar, depends on that one. Okay, it depends. You can be there in the call, Sumit, in the upcoming live paid member call. I will answer that one. Okay. We have 7 retail car accessory stores. Need to create store ad, but don't know how to add store location in the Facebook ad. Sumit, I don't know what you are doing. You can if you are part of my Facebook domination program, you can go to the Facebook domination program, implement. So do you want us to change audience every time? Not required. You no need to change audiences every time. Okay, you no need to change audiences every time. You have to test new audiences. Okay, you have to test new audiences so that you can understand, boss, what's happening there. How can you get quality leads and customer? Okay, that is the part. Sridhara HR, do you want us to change audience? No need to change, but definitely you can keep testing. You can definitely keep testing. So guys, anyone have any questions so far? I hope I answer your questions, and we had a meaningful discussion also. Okay, guys. Okay. So how many of you attended my workshop? Do you want us to change or no? Guys, how many of you attended workshop? You register or you attended or not? In case you have not attended workshop, be there, attend. You have registered. amazing. You can be there on the Sunday 11 a.m. and I would like to answer. Like, also, if you love this training, this live question, if you believe real questions by real people and answer by real practitioner. I'm practicing myself every day and I'm answering all those questions. Okay, so do you want somebody asked me single image ad or carousel ad, which is the better for generate? Sumit, you have to test both. I'm using single image, but you have to taste the both and see the results. Sumit, unless and until we taste, हमें नहीं पता चलेगा. And how can I use Facebook ad for non-profit organization, awareness, reachability, fundraising? Definitely can use, like, what is your goal? If you have for NGO, either what is your goal? Fundraising. If you want to do fundraising, definitely inside Facebook you can run the ad for donation. Okay, you can create amazing creatives where you, what kind of work you do, how do you solve the problem, what kind of किसको आप सपोर्ट करते हो, क्या करते हो एग्जैक्टली, आप वो पूरा वहां पे कर सकते हो. अवेयरनेस, आई थिंक यहाँ पे अवेयरनेस कैंपेन भी कर सकते हो, और यू कैन इवन डू हैव देयर इज ऑप्शन डोनेशन चैरिटी का ऑप्शन भी है. ओके, पीपल हु मिस अपकमिंग संडे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. Please suggest any other online business ideas. Depend, guys. There are so many online business ideas, hundreds of business ideas. Training, coaching, consulting, online marketing, become a consultant, become a freelancer, and so many things are there. Awesome. Right, okay, write in the chat box. Awesome, guys. Everyone, guys, you can type in comment box. Goal is to reach more people for NGO. Definitely, you can. I'm telling you here, you can run awareness campaign. You can run lead campaign. Even though you can run conversion campaign. You can run conversion campaign for donation. Okay, you can write target audience with the good pocket money. So, guys, first of all, I want to tell you here one thing here. If you love this video, today I'm going to on. I'm over 30 minutes, 34 minutes. If you have new questions, I will keep answering. I will come back for with your more question. You can type in comment box. I will separately answer all those questions. But guys, I'm signing off for today. मिलते हैं next live session के अंदर. But genuinely, if you love this session, ask me anything. Biggest question in online marketing, Facebook marketing, and answer by expert for your questions. I would like to please hit the like button. You can comment in comment box. You can share your detailed comment how this is going to help. What is your expectation and how can I contribute? If you have not attended a workshop, please be there in the upcoming workshop Sunday. And so if you have not become a Facebook Domination Program member, become the Facebook Domination Program member, and I can guarantee you it will be changing your game in 2021. Okay. Last question. After Facebook lead ad form is filled, customer can still go to the website at end of the form. Will pixel make sense there, or landing page form is required? Yeah, definitely. If you send people there and if you keep pixel, definitely it will work there. But inside Facebook, guys, there is a objective is different. How can Facebook optimize for conversion? Facebook will not optimize. It will track, but will not optimize. If you set the goal conversion, you have to select the conversion campaign with the pixel. Okay, you are really awesome. Thank you very much, guys. Awesome, guys. Love you all. Take care, but don't stop learning. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends, family. Also, guys, I'm telling you one thing here. I'm sharing your own comment. Like, if you love this training, guys, I would like you to please do one favor. Okay, one favor. You can go to the basically you can type in comment box, and I would like to invite your friends, loved one, business partner. If you believe this workshop is helpful, my Facebook Domination Program is helpful, I'm just giving the link here. Okay. All right. I'm just giving the link here. Okay. .co/digital growth. Okay. Invite your loved ones. Okay. Your loved ones. Guys, मैंने लिंक दिया है यहाँ पे. You can go to bethatulu.co/digital growth. मैंने यहाँ पे लिंक दिया है. Like I am just telling you here one thing here. Okay, You can go to the dattatole.co/digital growth and you can invite your loved ones. Okay, dattatole.co/digital growth. If you love this one, please feel free to invite your loved ones, friends, or anybody who can get benefit. Be part of this call, attend the workshop. Also, I would love to see you in the upcoming call. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your love and respect. I will keep helping you. I will keep serving you. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Signing off for today.